Today we're in Lake Wales and I have got a gorgeous home to show you today. 4-bedroom, 2-bath. This has all the upgrades, granite countertops, great appliances, Samsung, wonderful floor plan, and fenced backyard. Let's go take a look at this so I can show you the flow and design of this home. Let's go check it out. So excited to show you 610 Vista View Lane. This is in a quiet community here in Lake Wales. And it is Monday afternoon. You can see I'm just in the neighborhood here, showing you the street, showing you the surroundings. Everything is very well kept up. Homes have some nice spacing between them. If you'll notice, sometimes in different communities, you don't have very much square foot between homes, but these have some nice distance between each other to give you some privacy. So let's take a look at this home. First of all, you're going to see this home, they've added the stone on the outside, which gives it a really nice custom feel. It has the river rock on the front lanai area. And then you're going to see also in the back, which is really tastefully done. Let's walk inside, take a look, see what you think. All right, so when you first walk in, you're going to see the openness. Let me take you here, then I'm going to walk you through what we have to offer here. So take a look at this. Nice open design, very well taken care of. So it's a 4-bedroom, 2-bath. Let's going to show you when you first walk in how this is laid out. So a couple things to note. All the fixtures have been upgraded. It's got the really nice luxury vinyl plank flooring, neutral all throughout. So great for kids, pets, allergies. It's really going to help it have a nice clean look. So when you first walk in, to the right, this is going to be bedroom number 4, or it could be an office like it's being used now as an office. This is out toward the front of the home. It does have a closet, so we can call this bedroom number 4. And you'll see the high ceilings. This is your great room. Nice size kitchen, granite countertops. You can see the island, which is massive, and you can put some bar stools up underneath here if you want to. They've upgraded all the fixtures, all the ceiling fans, eating kitchen area here, along with the backsplash, which is really nice. By the way, the fridge, well, pretty much, I don't know. You could do Google searches on this. You could go watch YouTube if you want to. You name it. Look at this. This is, now I'm trying to, look, watch some videos while you're getting your stuff. I don't know. Living in Lakeland, Florida, Realtors of Faith. Subscribe now. Anyways, all right, let's keep going. So nice, big, huge open design. This is where you're hanging out. This is where you're spending your time. Wood cabinets, big farm sink. Now, while we're in the kitchen, let me show you this before we go look at the rest of the home. I do want to show you kitchen pantry. That is walk-in, huge, massive. So plenty of room for food storage. All right, so now we're gonna do this. I've showed you the front bedroom, okay? Now this is 2 bedrooms and 1 bath here. The rear bedroom is the master suite, the primary suite. So these bedroom sizes are 11 by 10, the luxury vinyl plank flooring. Got the window this way, closet space right back of us. This bathroom is a full bathroom, has a tub shower combination, also has double sinks, granite countertops. They've upgraded the mirrors, all the lighting, the tub shower combination. All the shower is an upgrade too. The tile is with the La Stella. Got the obscure glass for privacy. So you can see it's really, really been well decorated, well taken care of. All the plates have been swapped out too. So these are not your standard plates. Electrical, also. These bedrooms are almost the same size, very tastefully painted, very neutral. Okay, now let's go back to the rear. So it's really kind of like a triple bedroom split plan. Nice size master bedroom, you can see. Really nice size, you can tell from this video. Tray ceilings, double windows, plenty of space here. You can see this. And then walking into your master bath. Now, a couple things. You have a walk-in closet here. And then this is a closet that's also walk-in, very deep. Let's head this way. You got your shower. Nice shower door enclosure. Again, all the tiles all upgraded. All the plumbing, fixtures. These are higher cabinets too, with the same mirror. Toilet room. Kind of get the good idea here. So plenty of closet space. Nice size deluxe bathroom. And then let's go in this way and show you the laundry room. Then another part that I usually don't show in walkthrough videos, that's going to be the garage. By the way, stainless steel, all your appliances are all high end. This is your washer dryer area. And also a little bit of a folding table here. Alarm system comes with the home. And this is a garage unlike you've seen before. Look at this garage. Wow, incredible. It's got the epoxy flooring, which is wonderful. Saturn will take all the tools, everything. But you can see it's neat as a pin. You got your water heater, electric water heater this way. Your air handler over this way. So everything's in the garage. Extra lighting. You can see how bright the lighting is here. It looks like you're in an indoor space almost. Oh, by the way, insulated garage door too. This is really nice because it feels good in here. I mean, we're in the end of October, beginning of November coming up. So it's not hot here. It's not cold. Very comfortable in the garage. All right, so let's head toward the back area. Some more items I want to show you. Got large sliding glass doors going into the rear lanai. Nice heavy door. Now, a couple things that I want to show you on this lanai that's great, and that is going to be the flooring. See the river rock flooring. And then you've got the tongue and groove wood ceiling out here, which is gorgeous. Very well done. Upgraded ceiling fan. Let's take a look at this backyard here. Completely fenced, PVC fencing. Again, we're middle of the afternoon here. Quiet as can be. Except that door that I just shut. But look at the size of this backyard. Really nice size. Great for pets, kids. A little bit of space on the other side here too. Got gutters along the back. Here's your double gates. So I hope this has given you a good idea of exactly how this floor plan flows. And what I'd like to do is book a time to show you this home. All my contact information is going to be below. To take a look at this private tour, more information, other details about this home, you've got my information below. If feel free to call or text me or email me. Whether selling or buying, you got to call Brian. Thank you for tuning in. I hope you've enjoyed this walkthrough video. I'm here to help you with all of your needs, whether you're buying or selling anywhere in Central Florida. Myself and my team is ready here to help you. So let's connect, let's book a call, talk about your real estate situation so we can kind of walk through whatever you're looking to accomplish. Hope you have a great day. God bless.